going to be showing you my vending machine. Now that I have shown you how this works, I'm going to show you how I made it. I first took a water bottle and cut a hole into it and stuck 2 pieces of cardboard so the toy didn't go all the way over here. So that's how I made the deliver. Next, I just cut a hole down the bottom of the box to make a prize hole so you could reach and get your prize. Then I just cut strips of paper and drew some dots on them because I like dots. And I just stuck them on the machine and I wrote prize and turn. After that, I just got a cup, plastic cup, and rolled and got a square of cardboard that would fit on here, and then rolled out how wide the cup was, and then just hot glued it on here. When I finished that, I just measured out how big the front and the back of my bottle was so it could fit through the box. Then I just tested that my squishies would work with the machine, so I didn't decorate it and waste my time. Forgot to tell you about is that I actually put a ramp at the back of the box so it would just slide closer to where your hand is, so you don't have to reach all the way to the back of the box. But you can use anything with this machine, you just have to make sure that it works. I hope this machine helped you. If you like it, please subscribe and like the video.